Sorry, we lost our memory. This is the same video. And here's our Kinder eggs. And if you didn't see some of the stuff,
we'll take a look at it at the end.
Yep. And here's the chocolate. Let's open this up.
We can't talk, she's eating chocolate right now. Let me get the Skittles out of there. One more to open.
Here's one more Kinder egg.
Go ahead and put it right there. That was good.
And here's a different colored yellow.
Yeah. She was showing you the bowl of chocolate.
And eating some right now.
Eat. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
All right. While she's doing it. Open some of these. Mm-hmm. Open them up. Let's see what's in it.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Let's see if I can get the thing out. It's holding stars. Are we supposed?
Looks like a Smurf.
Huh? Looks like you will have to decorate the present.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to try and decorate the present.
So it's a Smurf and you decorate the present. Wait, Emma. That goes on top.
It's a sticker. Wait.
Mm.
It looks kind of complicated,
But what you can do is you pull this and you see the different gifts inside, and you run the wheel.
Well, he's that. I'm going to open some more of the thing.
And that hides it. And there he is. What's that one?
Some more things. Well, she does that. Let's see if I can do this.
Well, this is another one from this collection. It's a
Looks like this Kinder thing's supposed to go on this
penguin
egg.
on a log car. There's a hippo.
With a Kinder heart-shaped egg.
Maybe an egg or a balloon. I'm not sure which. Might be a balloon, might be an egg. Hard to tell.
Here's something like a bicycle.
There's something like the parts for a bicycle. That somebody has to assemble, right? All right, well, this is what the bike is supposed to look like, and this is how we're supposed to build it. I will eventually get the bicycle constructed, and I'll end up with an extra part. Where does this part go?
While he's doing that, let's open this huge frozen.
Oh, this is the stand.
Let's rip this scratch off. Let's throw it in the trash. And it's kind of not really a surprise because right here it tells what's inside. And this is kind of like these that we got in something else that was frozen. This tiny pink egg was a frozen egg once, but you might not have seen it because we lost our memory. Let's throw this away and try to open this up. Actually, I saw there was tape here. Let's see if we can get this off. Here goes the tape. And let's open this up. Oh wait, there's more tape. You can just have a nice look at the other stuff you got.
Did it open?
Yep, it sure is.
Did it open along the floor?
Yep, it opens everywhere. Here are all the candies that we have.
These look like jelly beans.
And these look like this. And one time,
These
this
are
was part of a Valentine.
This is the Castle of Arendelle.
And here's a
Kinda like
big
this from
pile of
the-
stuff we got.
Wow.
Let's put it in the back of it. And it's a roll of fill. Oh no, Shopkins.
All right.
Oh, no.
Now, I'm out of power, so I think it's time to sign off. Do you?
Bye-bye.
That was our big Easter haul. See you next time. Bye.